I just received my November Glam bag and Boxycharm and can't wait to see what I got. I'm so excited to see what goodies we got. I got this PHA exfoliating peel from Ren Skincare. I'm excited about this because Ren is all clean skin, clean beauty, and I love that. And it says that this is good for sensitive skin, which is perfect for me. This is supposed to be a gentle yet powerful exfoliating treatment, and it says it leaves you with instantly glowing, smooth skin. So who doesn't want that? We got the Violet Voss Disco Drip palette. This sounds right up my alley, and I'm already thinking of like holiday makeup looks. Those are really vibrant, gorgeous shimmer shades. That green and blue, I'm looking forward to trying those. Gorge. We got a gorgeous brush set. I'm excited about this. I can literally never have enough brushes, and these are so soft and fluffy, and who doesn't want a purple brush? Love. I don't know about you, but I love to try new mascaras. This is the Bare Minerals Maximist mascara, and I heard that this has like phytofibers in it to give extra volume, and I love a voluminous lash, so this should be a goodie. On to our Glam bag. This is so cute. I'm definitely gonna keep this in my purse. I love mini makeup. This is the Huda Beauty One Coat Wow Mascara. I've heard really good things about this, and if I can get my lashes to look amazing in one coat, sign me up. Okay, now this one was a choice product. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Crystal Lip Gloss. This just looks like the perfect clear gloss to go on top of any other lip. And I love an ultra glossy, shiny lip. Hallelujah, I got eye masks. I go through eye masks all the time because unfortunately I wake up with kind of puffy eyes. I'm so excited to try these. They have hyaluronic Z technology and niacinamide and caffeine. I love when eye masks have caffeine. It works so well. I'm so excited. I got a fragrance. This is Commodity Juice. I can never get enough fragrances, and I love this size, so I can always bring something like this in my purse. Oh my gosh, that smells so good already. Oh my gosh, it is so, truly, juice is the right name. It's so juicy, so sweet, gorgeous. And look how cute this little moisturizer is from Saturday Skin. This has carrot and niacinamide, so it sounds like it'll be pretty brightening. I love that. Sign up for IPSY using the link in the description box. Like this video and tell me in the comments what was your favorite product, and be sure to subscribe to the channel so that you can stay in the know.